boy.
Good. Lulu, where is it? Where am I shooting? Put them on.
Look, he's swimming normal. Good boy, Goosey.
Hey, Goosey. Finally.
Now we just gotta get Lulu to
Come
it.
on, Goosey. Good boy. Good boy.
He's gotten over his phobia of deep water.
Funny how she only gets the orange one now, huh?
It's the one she was being thrown. That was being thrown for her a
She's
second
wearing
ago.
normal for like 5 seconds.
Come on, Goosey.
Oh, Goosey, where is it?
Good boy.
Good boy. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Lulu, good boy. Good girl, Lulu. Look how she's holding
Hey,
it.
look, he swam normal again. Good boy. It's like he swims normal with the thing in his mouth, but without it.
It's crazy.
Helping him keep his head above water.